Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to change language on Steam mobile. First of all, you can open the Steam application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the three horizontal lines at the bottom right corner of the screen, tap on it, and here you will just simply scroll down. Now tap on settings here and you will see the option language. Tap on language and you will just simply select the language that you want to choose according to your country, and this is the way you can change language on Steam mobile. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Code questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.